Welcome to the Pupil International Schools Annual Report, a comprehensive overview of our school's journey this year. The annual report is a testament to our school's commitment to excellence in education, highlighting the numerous festivals, celebrations, events, achievements, and milestones that have shaped our academic year. It serves as a record of our collective efforts, showcasing the dedication and hard work of our students, faculty, and staff. The vision of our school is to manifest a vibrant transformational space to create fully blossomed souls who have the skills, compassion, and the wisdom to make a positive impact on the world. A significant achievement of this year was the authorization of the Middle Year Program, making us an IB, PYP, and MYP authorized school. We are also happy to announce that we are a candidate school for the IBDP. This milestone not only validates our commitment to academic excellence but also sets us on the path of becoming an IB Continuum school. We will be one of the few schools in Chennai offering IB curriculum from early years to grade 12. We took a bold step forward by initiating the TEDed Club for Students, culminating in a TEDx Student Talks event and the successful hosting of TEDx The Pupil International Youth event. These initiatives empowered our students to share their ideas and experiences, inspiring others with their insights and perspectives. We launched the Kriya STEM Lab, Design Studio, and Makers Space to equip our students with skills, aptitude, and attitudes required for 21st century. This includes coding, AI, STEM, and design. Our students exemplified the values of service and empathy by organizing a rice collection drive for a children's home. This initiative not only contributed to a worthy cause but also instilled a sense of compassion and responsibility in our students. At our school, we recognize student leaders and emphasize the values of leadership, responsibility, and service. At The Pupil, we believe in celebrating diversity and fostering a sense of global citizenship. Throughout the academic year, we observed and celebrated various events and festivals that reflect the rich cultural tapestry of our school community. These celebrations are not just about festivities, they are an integral part of our holistic approach to education, emphasizing the values of tolerance, understanding, and respect for all cultures. Our MYP Year 3 students undertook a commendable community project, demonstrating their commitment to making a positive impact in their community. Their projects showcased their creativity and dedication to creating a better world. Our MYP Year 5 students exhibited their personal projects, highlighting their individual passions, talents, and innovative ideas. These projects were a reflection of their growth and development as lifelong learners. Chitrai Punaivar, the Pupils Art Festival, not only celebrated their artistic endeavor but also encouraged them to explore and express themselves through various art forms. National Science Day, embracing science for a sustainable future. This was a testament to their curiosity, critical thinking, and problem-solving skills. Throughout the academic year, we had the privilege of hosting esteemed guest speakers from various fields to share their expertise and insights with our students. Each speaker has enriched our learning environment and inspired our students to dream big and pursue their passions. Field trips are an integral part of our educational experience, providing students with hands-on learning opportunities beyond the classroom. Throughout the academic year, our students achieved remarkable success in various competitions including International Spell Bee, Olympiads, and sports. These achievements are a testament to their hard work, dedication, and perseverance. We are proud to announce that Mrs. Vasanti D, our EYP facilitator, received the Best Teachers Award from the Hindu Educational and Charitable Trust. Our new initiative, the Pupil Quest, provided students with the opportunity to pursue their passions and interests in arts and sports. This initiative not only honed their skills but also encouraged them to strive for excellence in their chosen fields. As we reflect on the past year and look towards the future, let us continue to uphold the values of creativity, consciousness, grit, and lifelong learning that defines the Pupil International School. Let us strive to create a brighter, more passionate world, one fully blossomed soul at a time. Thank you.